What if I told you that your daily routine doesn't have to be as time-consuming as it once was? Imagine a world where AI devices handle most of your tasks without you even thinking about it. Could these smart devices make life easier without you even noticing? Well, the future is already here. In today's video, we'll dive into 8 game-changing AI devices that are transforming your day-to-day life. These devices are designed to seamlessly integrate into your home, doing the heavy lifting so you can focus on what truly matters. Let's dive in to explore how these AI devices have quietly become an essential part of many homes. 1. Roborock Saros Rover Advanced Robot Vacuums. The days of vacuuming are over. Now, the Roborock Saros Rover takes over the responsibility, and it does much more than just cleaning your floors. With its AI vision and growing wheel legs, it adapts to the layout of your home by climbing stairs and cleaning steps with ease. It moves around obstacles like socks and toys, identifying them before starting the cleaning cycle. No more moving furniture around or worrying about robot-proofing your space. This smart vacuum is designed to handle a real-world mess, so you can rest assured that your home stays clean even when you're busy elsewhere. Plus, its AI learning capabilities improve over time, meaning it gets better at cleaning with every use, saving you even more time. The Roborock Saros Rover offers efficiency and convenience, all while maintaining the cleanliness of your home without you needing to lift a finger. Its battery life and enhanced navigation system also ensure it can handle larger spaces or multi-floor homes without missing a beat, leaving your home spotless with minimal oversight required. 2. SwitchBot Honoro H1 Multitask Household Robots. The SwitchBot Honoro H1 is more than just a cleaning robot. It's a complete helper for your home. With human-like dexterity, this multitasking robot can tackle a variety of household chores. Whether it's loading the dishwasher, folding laundry, or picking up scattered utensils, it helps take care of time-consuming tasks so you can focus on other things. What sets this robot apart is its adaptability. You can set specific routines for it to follow, and the more you use it, the smarter it becomes at completing those tasks in the most efficient way possible. It's like having your very own personal assistant that handles all the physical work, which not only saves you time, but also helps reduce the stress of managing household chores. Additionally, the robot can learn your preferences over time, ensuring it prioritizes your most needed tasks. Whether it's a preference for tidying up the kitchen or reorganizing your living room, the robot adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. 3. Amazon Echo Show 15 Contextual AI Smart Displays. Smart displays have come a long way from their initial design, and now the Amazon Echo Show 15 stands out as a central hub for your home. Powered by Alexa Plus, it uses generative AI to understand your natural language, meaning you can make requests and commands as if you were talking to a person. But what makes this device truly special is its ability to manage complex tasks like family scheduling and home energy management without you needing to micromanage anything. This AI-powered device learns your habits and preferences, so it can make proactive suggestions to help streamline your day. Whether you need reminders for appointments, notifications for important events, or even adjustments to your home's lighting, the Echo Show 15 handles it all. That it's more than just a smart speaker. It's a command center for your home, ensuring that everything runs smoothly while you focus on the bigger picture. You can also use it to control other smart devices in your home, making it an integral part of your smart ecosystem. From managing your calendar to adjusting room temperatures, this device becomes your go-to assistant in running a well-organized home. 4. Neurologix Longevity Mirror Wellness Tracking Smart Mirrors. Who knew a mirror could be so much more than just a reflection of your face? The Neurologix Longevity Mirror is a revolutionary tool in health and wellness. Using a simple 30-second video selfie, the mirror tracks subtle blood flow patterns in your face, giving you a detailed wellness score. It's designed to help you monitor health markers and predict potential risks for conditions like heart disease. This smart mirror goes beyond just tracking your health. It acts as a personal coach, offering daily tips on nutrition, exercise, and overall wellness based on your data. It encourages you to adopt better habits and provides insight into your long-term health. so you can make proactive changes now to ensure a healthier future. This mirror is a perfect example of how technology can become a wellness partner that helps keep you on track with your health goals. Additionally, it provides a visual representation of your wellness, offering a motivational boost each day as you work toward improving your health. With its intuitive AI-driven feedback, it ensures you never miss out on making healthier choices, right in the comfort of your own bathroom. 5. Lutron Caseta Smart with Blinds, Automated Smart Blinds. Managing the lighting in your home can be a constant chore, but Lutron Caseta Smart with Blinds eliminate the need to manually adjust your blinds throughout the day. These smart blinds are equipped with sun-aware automation, meaning they can adjust their position based on the sunlight streaming through your windows. This helps to regulate the temperature in your home by reducing glare or blocking the heat from the sun when it's most intense. This AI-powered automation system works in the background, keeping your home comfortable without you having to do anything. By regulating natural light, the smart blinds also contribute to energy efficiency, helping to lower your cooling and heating costs throughout the year. It's a small change that brings big benefits, especially when it comes to creating a cozy, energy-efficient living space. 6. Plaud NotePen AI-powered wearable recorders. Taking notes can be a hassle, especially when you're in the middle of a meeting or having an important conversation. The Plaud NotePen is an AI-powered wearable recorder that quietly records your entire day and summarizes the conversations you have. From important work meetings to casual chats with friends, it creates detailed mind maps, bulleted lists, and to-do lists, so you never miss a detail. What makes this device so useful is its perfect recall feature, which automatically organizes the information for easy access later on. Whether you're trying to remember a key point from a meeting or reviewing notes from a class, the NotePen ensures you have everything you need without having to take manual notes. It's an incredible tool for boosting productivity and helping you stay organized, all with minimal effort on your part. 7. SwitchBot Weather Station Interactive Weather Stations. Keeping track of the weather is important, but SwitchBot Weather Station takes it one step further by not only displaying weather updates, but also offering AI-generated recommendations. This weather station features an e-ink display that provides personalized advice, such as reminding you to bring an umbrella when it's about to rain or advising you on the best time to head out based on the weather conditions. But that's not all. The SwitchBot Weather Station integrates with other smart devices in your home. It can trigger automated actions, like turning off lights when you leave or adjusting the windows in the morning based on temperature changes. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to add a layer of automation to their daily routine while staying prepared for whatever the weather brings. 8. Lock & Vano Pro Zero Maintenance Smart Locks. When it comes to home security, convenience and safety are key. Lock & Vano Pro takes home security to the next level with its Aura Charge technology, which powers the lock through an invisible beam, eliminating the need for battery replacements. This smart lock uses facial recognition to unlock the door as you approach, giving you a seamless experience without having to worry about traditional keys or dead batteries. What sets the Lock & Vano Pro apart is its reliability. With AI-powered features like automatic locking and facial recognition, it ensures your home is secure at all times without requiring constant maintenance. This is the future of home security: convenient, reliable, and always ready to protect you and your family. So there you have it, 8 incredible AI devices that are quietly automating your daily routine, making life smoother and more efficient. The future of technology is here, and it's all about making your life easier without you even noticing. If you found this video helpful, like and share it with your friends and family who could benefit from these innovations. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how AI is transforming our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.